Thank you to my cadets, Sierra, Mackenzie, Ollie, and Jalea, for showing us how to do the cup stacking activity. Each group needs 6 plastic cups, 4 pieces of yarn, and a rubber band. You'll start by tying your piece of yarn to the rubber band. If you have trouble tying the yarn around the very small little rubber band, you are a team, so work it out however is best for your team. If somebody is really good at tying and they want to do all of them, that's up to you guys. You figure out how your team works best to support each other. If you happen to have 2 or 3 people in your group, then make sure that you still tie 4 pieces of yarn to the rubber band. If you have 2 people in your group, each person will hold 2 pieces of yarn. If you have 3 people in your group, one person will hold 2 pieces of yarn and the other 2 people will hold 1. Once you have all 4 pieces of yarn tied around the rubber band, make sure all 6 cups are not stacked. Once you have all 6 cups out on the table, remind yourselves what goal you are going to work on, and then you're each going to take a piece of yarn and you're going to try to get the rubber band around each cup and make a pyramid. Your goal may be that you stack all 6 cups in an allotted time, or maybe it's a communication goal. Maybe only 2 people in the group can verbally help each other, or maybe nobody can. Get creative with your goals and see how it goes. Play as many rounds as you can. When you've had a chance to try to accomplish a few different goals, your teacher will tell you it's time to stop, and then you can discuss the questions that are on the board. Lastly, think about how having a support team can help you achieve your own personal goals. Thanks again to the 4th period cadets for helping me make this how-to video, and great job accomplishing your goal.